Hey there and welcome back to our channel. This is going to be a super quick and simple tutorial on creating GIFs in Camtasia. We love to use GIFs from Camtasia to visually enhance step-by-step procedures. So let's get started. To do this, you go into Camtasia and click record. You'll want to adjust your region settings, mic, camera, whatever you want displayed on your screen, and click record. And I am just going to complete my first step. This is going to be an example of how to create a QR code. So I did my first step, which is select the data type. I'm going to go back through and watch it, and it looks fine. But I am going to adjust my cursor effects. I like to add the rings when you left click. I also like to do the cursor smoothing because it just makes it look really nice and seamless. So let's watch it through again and make sure it looks good. Perfect. Okay, and now I'm just going to export this as a local file. I'm going to select the file type GIF, and I'm going to name this. And here's the final product. So once you finish your GIF in Camtasia, you can export that and stick it in your e-learning or training modules on your website or wherever you want it to be displayed, and it's that simple. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and visit us at tpotterdesign.com for more.